Put on your shade, oh what a sight. Let's play outside and run around. The golden rays are all around. Rainy drops go pitter-pat. Grab your boots and wear your hat. Jump in puddles, splash with glee. Umbrellas up, come dance with me. Windy wind goes, whoosh and spin. It twirls the leaves and lifts your chin. Hold your kite up to the sky. Watch it soar and wave goodbye. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cloudy skies are soft and gray. The sun shines hiding far away. Let's read a book or take a nap with cozy socks and a quiet clap. Snowy flakes fall soft and slow. Build a snowman in the snow. Bundle up from head to toe. Let's make angels as we go. When the storm has gone away, a rainbow bright will make your day. Red to purple in a line, weather magic, how divine. So look around, what do you see? Is it warm or stormy, cold or breezy? The weather changes every day. Let's learn and laugh, hip hip hooray.